next up, we have Kevin from the Unique Network, who will give us an overview about what they are doing and their unique benefits and why you can choose and build on their system. So with that, let me see your screen, and here you go. I think you're muted. I can't hear you.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me here. I'm really happy to be here. So let's get into it. Unique Network is advanced NFT infrastructure. Unique Network is a parachain on Polkadot. It's an NFT chain, so NFTs are not bound in smart contracts; they are in a chain. Now, before we get into all this technical stuff, I just want to make something clear. So imagine you want to build a custom desktop. Let's say you are a fan of gaming and you want to build a custom desktop. How would you build it? If I have to build it, I'll go buy a RAM that I want, buy a graphics unit that I want, buy the memory that I want, mouse, keyboard, all the stuff that I want, and then in a day I'll have it assembled. Now, when I'm saying that, I don't really think that, hey, I want to create this plastic mold for my desktop. I want to create a plastic mold for my mouse. I don't really think in that way. What I think is that, hey, all of these things are available. I'll just go and grab them, put them together, and I have something that I can work with. Now, right now in NFT market, if you want to build something, let's say you want to build an application of some real estate fractionalized tokens, where real estate is being fractionalized into NFTs, and then they are being sold on marketplace. What you have to start from is you have to start from writing the code where you have to build NFTs, and that takes so much time. First of all, hours and hours of development, and so much time between idea to the production, idea to the MVP, and thousands of dollars. So what Unique Network does is that Unique Network provides you an infrastructure, provides you something that will get you from idea to your MVP as soon as you can, as soon as you possible. So let's imagine you want to build that same application on Unique Network. You go ahead, you use our SDKs, which are available on iOS, Android, Unity, Mac, and other platforms that you want. So you can go ahead, you can just import those libraries, and you can write, create me an NFT, and now you have an NFT. You can write, create me fractionalized token. Now you can create those fractionalized tokens. So now all your work is that you have to build a good user experience. You have to build a good user interface. Now, when you build a good user interface and you good user experience, you are focusing on a product, you are focusing on your customer. So you are able to make MVPs faster, and then you are able to put them out faster. Not only that, you can do a lot of things. You can nest NFTs in a tree-like structure where one NFT is owning other NFTs, or fractionalized token, or even USDT or DOT token, or UNQ token, or a star token. Yeah, you can do all of that stuff with our SDKs. You can build dynamic NFTs, which will change according to the weather. So let's say you want an NFT that changes according to the time of the day. So in morning, there is a sun, in night, there is a moon, or if it's a winter, there is a snow. You want to do all that stuff. Go ahead, use our dynamic NFTs and build that. You don't have to start from beginning. You already have all that stuff. Now you have to focus on building your user experience. Now you have to focus on building your application. It's EVM compatible. There are refungible tokens. As I said, you can fractionalize, you can mint an NFT and you can fractionalize those NFTs. There is transaction sponsoring. Now, this is something that we are really proud of, because one of the things that Web3 and the whole ecosystem lacks is that there is not enough not good enough user experience. Now, transaction sponsoring helps you do that. Your users don't have to hold UNQ or Quartz token or any of our token, you can do that on behalf of them. You can sponsor transactions for them, and they get a seamless experience. So what really we do at Unique Network? We help you save hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars when it comes to development, and we help you save hours and hours of development time. So we from your idea to MVP, we make it very easy for you. Now there are a few more things that we are really proud of at Unique Network, and that we want to say out very loud. Uh, Yeah, so Unique Network is one of the most environmentally friendly chain, and I'll just say it in one line. So one NFT created on Unique Network uh, creates same carbon emission as two human breaths. So it's basically nothing. It's very environmentally friendly. Transaction fees on Unique Network are very low. It's one mint is less than 0.001 USDT, so it's very low in terms of transaction fee. So you can mint more things, you can do more things with the NFTs and application. And at Unique Network, we believe that we want to have application that in 5 years will mint 10,000 NFTs every day, that mint 10,000 NFTs every week or something like that. So we want people to go ahead and have that power to build hundreds of thousands of NFTs in a day or week or something like that, and we want them to do that. So that's why transaction fees are very low. Yeah, I think that's it from my side. If you have any question, you can please join our Telegram or you can join our Discord. You can ask those questions over there. If there are any questions here, I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.
Yeah, Kivian, thank you very much for joining and giving this great overview. So then next up